For number 24, to determine if the three sides form a triangle, we're going to take the smaller two sides, 15 plus 20, that equals 35. We want to compare that to the third side. The third side is 26. Because the two smaller sides added together are greater than the third side, then yes, these three sides form a triangle. If the two sides that are smaller added together would have been less than 26, then it would not have formed a triangle. As a separate skill, not really related to the first one, we're going to determine what type of triangle it is. So I'm going to look at the idea of a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which is our Pythagorean theorem. If a squared plus b squared does not equal c squared, then it is not a right triangle, so it's either acute or obtuse. I'm going to start by looking at c squared. So 26 squared is 676, and I'm going to compare that to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. 15 squared plus 20 squared. 15 squared is 225, and 20 squared is 400. 225 plus 400 is 625. 676 was the c squared. 676 is greater than 625, which means that the c squared is greater than the sum of the other two sides squared, which means it's not a right triangle because it's not equal, and because the c squared is greater, that makes that angle a greater angle. So it is an obtuse triangle. When c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, you have an obtuse triangle.